Hey everybody, this is Maria with California Thrifter, and this is the last video for tonight. This is just 3 packages and this is all live sale purchases that I made, that I bought. The first one, I already opened them, but I haven't looked and see what's in it. This is from Chapter Two Vintage. Okay, so this must be my earrings that I bought that Aaron made for me. Yes, and this is a little box that Bianca was selling. Really cute. These little plastic boxes, really pretty. It's that. And I thought it was really cute to put that. I'm going to use this as a gift for somebody else, but the earrings I'm going to keep for myself. And it came very well wrapped. And, oh, this is so cute. It says, repeat customers are the best. Look at that. And this is from Mr.Chapter Two Vintage. Oh, yes. And there are these fish hook earrings, because that's all I wear now. So if you guys like it, just reach out to Alex of Chapter Two Vintage, because he custom makes these. And they're not light, they're heavy. So very, very cute. And this is the backings of it. But I don't even use the little, I just put on the fish hook. I'll show you guys how they look. He did an amazing job. Thank you, Aaron. I'm very, very happy. Worth every penny. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to leave them on, because then from here they're going to go to my collection, my tower collection. And I got to show you guys one of these days my collection of earrings. And they're all going to be with the fish hook, because that's all I can do. Next up is from Teresa from Sweets by Teresa. Thought I had opened it enough, but maybe not. Pack this very well. I don't remember what it is. She triple packed it. Give me a second, guys. Okay. I should have had something else with this. So this is just a cute little, I'm going to put a candle in here for October breast cancer awareness. I'm going to have a shelf with all kinds of pinks, and that's what I got this for. Okay. I'll have to go back and look, because there should have been 2 items, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. So thank you, Teresa. That was very good. And then this is from Pamela Blanchard, Alabama. Well, these are going to be earrings too. And she packed this very well too. Look at this. I love these plastic envelopes that she uses, because they are like self-adhesive and I can reuse them. Love, love, love. I recycle everything. Everything, guys. She's got this very well wrapped in some tulle. And she's got a little card in here. And it says, "Thank you so much, Maria. I hope you like them. Love you so much, honey. Pam." Look how pretty that is. I think I already have enough thank you cards and stuff. I need to make, I have an old school cork board. And what I'm going to do, I want to paint the edges and do, like right here behind me, I want to do, so you guys are not always looking at my sage green wall. I don't want to put a lot of holes in that wall, because they're just a temporary wall. Look at this yellow tulle. I reuse everything. I got a long day. It's I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 7 o'clock at night. It's already dark outside. But earlier I took a little rest, because I was just like, long day. This is from Pam. She had these, oh, they're tassel earrings. They're really cute. I love them both, Pam. See, they have the blue and the gold. They're really, really adorable. And that's why I like these fish hooks earrings, because I can just put them on with my eyes closed. So these are the blue with the gold. Really pretty. See? Love it. Love, love, love. And Pamela, by the way, thank you for putting them in bags like this, because these are a little bit more fragile. These I will not put on my collection tower. And then I have these other ones. And these would be more like, I love the colors, but they're more Christmassy to me. And they're whispers. The earrings are called whispers. And Pamela was selling them like hotcakes. Look how pretty these are. They're red, but they have like a little touch of green. So these are more like Christmassy and stuff, but I literally like it. In the back, they're whispers, tassels, doing good while looking great. And this one actually is attached to a card, and it says, "Thank you for your support. Our mission in Greensboro, Alabama. We are changing lives, one ribbon necklace at a time, and now the tassel at a time. By women, for women, to help women. Under Stella's umbrella." Look how pretty they are. I was late to Pam's sale the other day, so I don't know if this is for a cause or something. But it's amazing. Love, love, love. Love it. And Pam was just, you know, busy bee. Thank you, Pam. Love you, girl. Love you all. Thank you so much for this. Tell me which one was your favorite. Give me a also leave me a comment below. Ring the bell so you guys will know when there's new content. You know, I've already reached my 600. Now my goal is 1,000. I'm gonna get 1,000 because my goal is to get 1,000 by the end of the year. Because when my daughter moves out with the kids, I'll have more room to do more stuff. Because right now, bless her heart, I feel like I was doing something this afternoon. I was going to continue doing the rest of the unboxing, and then she came home because they had homework to do and they work in groups. So, and my number one priority is have her finish her classes. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great evening.